Welcome to this video about Lecco, a stunning city nestled between the mountains and the waters of Lake Como. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through its charming historic center, peaceful lakeside promenades, and breathtaking views. We'll show you what to do, what to eat, the most iconic landmarks and squares, and give you tips on the best times of year to experience Lecco at its finest. If you're planning your next trip or just curious about this beautiful city in northern Italy, you're in the right place. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. As soon as you arrive in the city center, you can't help but notice its peaceful atmosphere. The prevailing architectural style is neoclassical, which reflects Lecco's historical ties to the Austrian Empire during the 18th and 19th centuries. The streets are exceptionally clean, the mood is calm and relaxed, and everything invites you to slow down and take it all in. The historic center is well known for its cozy cafes, elegant boutiques, open-air markets, and cultural events that bring the piazzas to life, especially in warmer months. The main activities you can enjoy in this beautiful city include a relaxing walk along the lakeside promenade, with stunning views of the surrounding mountains and the crystal-clear waters of Lake Como. You can take a boat tour to explore the lake from a different perspective, or even try water sports like kayaking or paddleboarding during the summer months. You can also explore the local museums, such as Villa Manzoni, the former home of the writer Alessandro Manzoni, or simply get lost in the narrow streets of the old town, discovering local shops and authentic Italian gelato along the way. When it comes to nightlife and social life, Lecco offers a relaxed yet vibrant atmosphere. In the evenings, the lakeside promenade comes alive with people enjoying aperitivo, a true Italian tradition, and cozy wine bars and stylish cafes. The historic center also features a variety of restaurants where you can taste delicious local dishes, often with outdoor seating and scenic piazzas. While Lecco isn't known for wild nightlife, it does have a few lively bars and pubs, especially around Piazza XX Settembre and the nearby streets, where locals and visitors gather for drinks and conversation. During summer, the city hosts open-air concerts, cultural festivals, and lakeside events that bring an extra spark to the night. What you're looking at right now is Piazza XX Settembre, one of the most beautiful squares in Lecco. It's elegant, well-maintained, and full of character. The view is simply stunning. You can see the impressive Basilica of San Nicolò with its tall bell tower, often called the Needle of Lecco, and behind it, the majestic Grigna Mountain rising in the background. Right on this square, you'll also find the Palazzo delle Paure, or Palace of Fears, a former customs building that now hosts modern art exhibitions and cultural events. It's a perfect mix of history, culture, and scenic beauty all in one place. Just a bit further ahead, we arrive at another important square, Piazza Mario Cermenati. This central square is located right in front of the lakeside and is known for its stunning views over Lake Como and the surrounding mountains. It's a popular meeting point for both locals and tourists, thanks to its open space, elegant architecture, and relaxing atmosphere. The square also hosts cultural events and markets throughout the year, and from here you can easily access the promenade, the pier, and some of the best viewpoints in the city. The best time of year to visit this beautiful city is from late spring to early autumn, especially between May and September. During this period, you'll find a pleasant and mild climate with warm, sunny days and cool evenings, perfect for walking, sightseeing, and enjoying the lake. The surrounding mountains are also at their most scenic, with clear skies and green landscapes. Summer is great for outdoor activities and local festivals, while late spring and early autumn offer fewer crowds and a more relaxed atmosphere. Right next to the statue of Mario Cermenati, you'll find the street that leads to the steps of the Duomo of San Nicolò. Even the staircase is beautifully maintained, and once you reach the top, you can't help but admire the magnificent architecture. This cathedral is one of the most iconic landmarks in Lecco, known for its tall neo-Gothic bell tower, often called Il Mattone, or the Big Pencil, which stands out in the city's skyline. The church itself has a long history and a peaceful interior, making it not only a place of worship but also a spot to appreciate art, history, and silence in the heart of the city. Coming down from the steps of the Duomo of San Nicolò, you can walk straight to Lecco's beautiful lakeside promenade, a peaceful and relaxing walk along the calm waters of Lake Como, surrounded by breathtaking mountain views. What makes this lakeside area special is its wide pedestrian paths, elegant lampposts, and the perfect blend of nature and city life. You'll find benches to sit and enjoy the view, small docks with swans and ducks, and stunning photo opportunities at every corner. It's the ideal place to unwind, take a stroll, or simply watch the sun reflect on the lake's surface. The further north you go in Lecco, the more you're struck by the incredible beauty of the landscape. Towering, vivid mountains rise dramatically at the edge of the lake, creating a picture-perfect setting that feels almost surreal. This area is ideal for people of all ages, whether you're looking for scenic viewpoints, peaceful walks, or adventurous hikes. The northern shore offers access to nature trails, panoramic terraces, and charming lakeside villages, all framed by the impressive backdrop of the Green Mountain Range. While we enjoy this stunning view, let's talk about some typical dishes from Lecco. Personally, I highly recommend trying the misoltini, dried lakefish usually served grilled with polenta. Another local favorite is pizzoccheri, a hearty buckwheat pasta dish cooked with greens, potatoes, cheese, and butter, perfect for cooler days. Don't miss risotto alla Lecco, a creamy rice dish often flavored with local lakefish or mushrooms. These dishes truly capture the flavors and traditions of this beautiful region. Continuing along the lakeside promenade, you'll come across the beautiful Luigi Cadorna Public Park. This peaceful green space is perfect for anyone looking to relax in the total tranquility. There's a small cafe kiosk nearby and several playground areas for children to enjoy. It's a favorite spot for locals who want to unwind under the trees or enjoy a quiet afternoon by the lake. Needless to say, the view here is absolutely breathtaking, with the calm water, the distant peaks, and the gentle sounds of nature all around you. As you continue further along the beautiful lakeside promenade, you'll start to find the first spots where locals swim in the crystal clear waters surrounded by towering mountains. These little hidden areas offer a peaceful escape from the city, perfect for cooling off on a warm day. It's not uncommon to come across street musicians performing nearby, their music blending with the sound of the waves and creating an almost magical atmosphere. It's one of those places where nature and simple joys come together in the most charming way. Beyond these beautiful shots we've just seen, there are still many places waiting to be discovered in person. I highly recommend exploring Lecco at a relaxed pace to fully appreciate its charm and hidden gems. If you enjoyed the footage and found this video helpful, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel to support our work. More stunning destinations are coming your way, and you definitely don't want to miss them. See you at the next adventure.